Goko niko Kikuyu podcast. Big win for Agikuyu. Rurero rwito nirugeretie kuhurwo. Na thutha wa Sabasaba Mugikuyu ni ageretie guprofailwo na narrative ikarehwo ati nie ararurungana, ati nie atarenda regime ino, ati Mugikuyu ni arahura Mugikuyu. Undu ucio ni ukite ukaninwo. Regime ino diretikia narrative ino iratrend that we are all Kikuyus. Andu marauga atiriri ati agikorwo murauga Agikuyu tu no mararungana, then we are all Kikuyus. Niki marauga uguo ati tondu mirurungano ino yothe ti mirurungano ino ikoretwo ikuo tia Mugikuyu. Now Gen Z are tribeless. Gen Z matire mutongoria. Gen Z matire ati uyu ni muikamba Mugikuyu mujaruo mukaijin ogwo. Gen Z makoragwo me kindu kimwe. Onio makwetwo magibanga maundu maya mothe. Koguo hingo ino mwena uyu wa regime ino uroka go profile na makahe narrative atiriri mirungano ino ni ya Mugikuyu. Gen Z makauga atiriri, then if mirungano ino ni ya Mugikuyu, then we are all Kikuyus. It's a big win for Gachagua. Niki Gachagua negetie na ndwini mokite makageria kumu profile ati ni arafund mirurungano ino. No riri after kugeria kurehe narrative iyo nkugeria kuga ni Gachagua now andu riu magoka gukone Gen Z na makauga atiriri, we are all Kikuyus. Remember, ino regime irahurwo through social media platforms. Andu marari bell regime ino through social media platform. Higwa riu andu meguka kuma Twitter, kore X yani, FB na kore kungi guothe makauga we are all Kikuyus. Now matingiona toro. The fact is mundu ugwitwo must go. Oroyo ni ramutura mono. Mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga, oroyo ni ramutura mono. You know why? The big plan was gutwike mirungano ino ni Mugikuyu aramirehe igetha kuwane mwaka wa 2007 kuria mauga ni 43 against 1. Okay? Andu marauga atiriri na they are very specific. There will be no room for tribal politics. Ati matikwambia kurehe maundu ma tribal mambie kuga Mugikuyu ni moru. Andu marauga atiriri this regime ehinyereirie kila mundu, and that's why andu men hashtag iyo that we are all Kikuyus. In fact, as we speak, hashtag iyo ni era trend kore Twitter X. Hashtag iyo ni era trend kila hado. We are all Kikuyus. It's a big blow to must go. It's a big win to Gachagua at a kingpin wa Agikuyu. It's a big win for him. Niki ruriro atoire ateteire Mugikuyu. O aturakirugama na Mugikuyu. Andu aria giothe a Kenya ni mambie kurugama na Mugikuyu. Nene marona atiriri narrative ino irarehwo. Ni narrative etari na kurieri, ni narrative etari na maguru, ni narrative irathukia, yet kila Mukenya ni gusafa arasafa. As we speak, andu aria othe me thiini wa regime ino, they are confused. Mari gwatiriri iniki andu aya manyitana gutetera Mugikuyu. You see, mabia undu na higo the regime ino yabia kaundu mabia narrative yothe iria eroka ikahurirwo iguru. No, this narrative ya ati ni Agikuyu ni ahurirwo iguru guku thiini wa social media. Ni narrative iriku igi megwetha. You know why narrative ino irahurirwo iguru? Ta muthenya wa ira ni moniro ya wothe kore kikire. Toni Subaru iria cia kore Rungai. Ni toni muthigari agitishana. Ni toni mwiri ugikuruo ni thigari. Then mabie kuga mirungano ino ni ya Mugikuyu. Andu ni maamenya atiriri kugwa athukagio ne guns shiratomo neki tokyo ne guns isho uko Nairobi ira kukina video guns kahetoka hau thigari me hau guns zikahura mundu na muthigari na thigari icio guti undu cireka andu makigwa story guko nenda-ini ati kuria kura follow exaggerate kura follow thigari ciroreire exaggerate kwina kuria kura follow thigari ciroreire kuria kura follow gutire guns ciranyitwo. Who are those goons? So acio ni andu mamenyekana. So other tribe makona maundu maya mothe ni marona na ni marona profiling eno eho ya guthukiria Mugikuyu ni profiling kana narrative etari na kuria eri and mabia narrative icio makaoro nacio. So what next? You see, migomo yoka makarehe narrative ni Mugikuyu, then narrative yakahoro. So what next? You see, no kina thaici na timu yao yothe wanababaika makarigwo atiriri ruri rwa Gikuyu rutuire uthwirwo ni ndurire ici ingi ciothe. Thaici Mugikuyu uyu nioneka ni arabinga thirikari ino muno na ndurire ingi ciothe ni cia munyita guoko makamaka muno and they are tensed. Marigwo atiriri ai riu Mugikuyu anyitwo mbaru ni ndurire ici ingi ciothe hau naho ni atia ugucoka wikare atia it's terrible. You see, they are worried as we speak. They are worried. Mugikuyu akenyitwo mbaru ni andu aria angi othe. Man, these people are worried. Neki Mugikuyu auga undu negwikana. Remember, tribe iria ingi nicukite cikanota. Yes, we don't want this regime. Na tukwenda regime ino. Tribe iria ingi ciothe ciramenya Agikuyu mena numbers. So mwaka wa 2027 we need this Kikuyus. Either kwekwa regime ino tameda tunyitanire nao tumainukie because they have numbers na andu ene mathia ku vote tikuga na kadua they go to vote. So other communities and other tribes knows well that without Kikuyu do not have to, but with Kikuyu no one touch. And that's why these people adwaya manyitania na Agikuyu as we speak. Na makauga we are all Kikuyus. Guys, are you getting me? Are we together? Are we together? Yes, they know very well. With Kikuyu, kitu ni asubuhi na mapema. Chumbali. Haya machumba, asubuhi na mapema. Hii mtihani tutakuwa tumemaliza. With Kikuyus. Na kama we are all Kikuyus. None maamenya without Kikuyus. Eko kibarua. Atiriri mwaka wa 2022 kagwathiri atia. Kura iria nyingi kinaronire kaciumite ko. Imagine as we speak on kura 43% uguo out of 100% ciumite kuri Agikuyu. Etugo na aigoya wai kura milioni imwe cia Raila istiriho. Imagine now kura iria kinara onire na kura cia Raila bado ci hamwe. So more than 5 million votes ci hamwe as we speak. Ni ate ndurire ici ingi citegutetera Mugikuyu. Ni ate ndurire ici ingi to stirenda regime ino citegutetera Mugikuyu egetha Mugikuyu akamateithia. Oria Mugikuyu ekire regime ino power ini Mugikuyu akahuthika kumeikia ja. Because the other tribes knows they don't have numbers, but Kikuyu have numbers. Other tribes know ate nimekuwa na modu fulani, but they don't go to vote. But Kikuyus, they know the oremekwaria ne barot. Aikoni mathia kuikia kura. In fact, aikoni mumagira na njira ya nene wikia kura. Matiuga tu na kanua ne kumira mumagira. Aiko matumagira ona igwa politics race naki. No igwa ya wikia kura mumagira na in large numbers. Now, odio ya we are Kikuyus. No abete ni gikomakia regime ino. So what next? These people have said we are all Kikuyus. So guys, what next? You know, this is tricky. Mazi hii ni tricky sana. Wakianza kusema hivi we hapa ni kunoma. Todo ona meloga na yakika, man, they will support them. Watawa support. So tafanya aje sasa? Because your narrative sasa imepigwa juu. Wanashindwa Ruto wekati ya leo. You see? Right now they are on boardrooms. Aiko mafiga iko enzao. They can't believe. Men kwanza hii imeenda kabisa. Ugo niguo kuri, ugo niguo ikarite mwani manyu maiko. We are all Kikuyus. Slogan mnaionaje? Mnaona mambo iko aje? Thank you. God bless you guys. It is what it is. Thank you.